Hello, everybody. Happy Monday afternoon, but more importantly, happy October. We had our Oktoberfest celebrations last weekend. Everything was great all around town. To me, it means it's beer season, finally, and all those fall beers start tasting really, really good as soon as we're getting those cool evenings. In honor of that, we've got a couple new recipes to share in the shop this month. If you guys listened to our recent podcast episode on Kentucky Commons Radio Hour, you saw us do a taste experiment down in Asheville with the White Labs guys. Their Alt Bier recipe inspired me to go back to basics. If you guys haven't drank an Alt Bier recently, highly recommend revisiting that style. And, I'd always just used their WLP 029 Kolschist on that, but they convinced me while we were down there that Dusseldorf brings a whole lot of interesting flavors to the table there as well. So we do have some in the shop if you guys want to try it with this recipe over the next couple weeks. Additionally, new in the shop, I was saying it wrong. I was saying Nectaron, but it is Nectaron. Apparently it's named after a New Zealander who helped develop the hop for like the past 20 years. His name was Ron. These hops are very nectar, tropical fruit, passion fruit forward, so Nectaron. If you guys want to try them, we've got about 20 or 30 ounces of this stuff in, so I mixed up a little recipe here. You guys can feel free to get creative with that too. In addition to that, we'll have a lot more kind of new social media stuff that we've been working on behind the scenes to help market the shop and to kind of help just promote the homebrewing culture, both here in the store and just in the broader community. Shout out to the Loggers Club for a great Yappy Hour event this week as well. That's about it for our Monday update. We're looking forward to seeing you guys in here. If you see any of the new social media stuff coming out that you really like, stuff that you'd like to see more of, we're going to kind of have some, I wouldn't say off the wall, but maybe different than what we've been doing here recently on social media. Click the like, click the share, tag a friend, and more than anything, thanks for all the support over the years, and we'll see you guys in here soon. Cheers.